Today we are going to study about the mean temperature. The maximum and the minimum temperature recorded at place on a particular day is used to calculate the mean temperature. The maximum and minimum temperature recorded at a place is used to calculate the mean temperature or an average temperature. So how we calculate it? So what we will do, suppose the maximum and minimum temperature of a certain day is 36 degree and the 24 degree. So what we will do, we will just divide the sum of these temperature by 2. The result is 30 degree. So mean temperature is 30 degree. Next is to find the mean monthly temperature. For monthly, what we will do? To find a mean monthly temperature, we add the daily mean temperature for the whole month and divide the total days. To find the mean temperature, we add all the daily mean temperature recorded and divide by 30. To find a mean annual temperature, we add the mean temperature of all the monthly year and divide by 12. Thus we can find a mean annual temperature. Range of temperature. The difference between a maximum and minimum temperature of particular day gives the range of temperature. That is the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature is called a range temperature of the day. That is 36 degree minus 24 degree. We get difference between the maximum and minimum temperature recorded during a month. That is the monthly range of temperature. The difference between mean temperature of the hot and coldest month of a year is called an annual range temperature. Next is the regional variation in temperature. The temperature varies from place to place mainly due to the variation in latitude, altitude and distance from the sea. The usual trend are as follows. The higher latitude of a place at the lower temperature. That is, if the latitude is higher, the temperature is lower. If the higher altitude, the lower temperature is there. The greater distance of the place from the sea and is range the temperature. So these things affects the variation in the temperature. First is the latitude, second is the altitude, and third is the distance from the sea. Then isotherms. What are the isotherms? An isotherm is a line drawn on a map, either surface joining where the temperature at the sea level is the same. That is, isotherm is a line drawn on a map surface joining where the temperature and the sea level is same at given time. Isotherms help us to mark out the region having the similar temperature. Thank you.